Tired of bland, bitter curries? This hack creates that deep, restaurant-style flavor every time. Start by cooking your onions, garlic, and ginger until fragrant and golden. Now add your spice mix. And here's the secret. Add the water right after the spices hit the pan. This prevents scorching and bitter flavors. Let it cook for a bit. Blend the mix to a paste and return to the pan. Cook the paste, stirring constantly. Watch for the magic moment when the oil starts to separate and the paste darkens. Stir in a spoonful of ghee or butter at the very end for that silky restaurant-style richness. Let the paste rest after cooking. This helps all the flavors marry together. And now add water or coconut milk to make your curry sauce. And there you have it. Deep, aromatic curry base that's pure liquid gold.